Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video for Operation Smile Club. Our club, who are we? We are a local student branch of the international organization that provides surgeries for children with cleft lips and or palates. Our club is an outlet for students to raise money and awareness for the international organization because each surgery costs as little as $240. So we meet typically once a month, and we're thinking of doing Monday evenings at 7:30. Attendance to these is mandatory unless cleared with an executive board member, as attendance and participation is very important. We'll be using Zoom because virtual meetings are new to us, so it's a video chat style and you can definitely ask more questions on it. Our why is we are able to make a difference by offering our leadership to our school and community. Some of our activities we do as community outreach includes fundraisers, club socials and parties, awareness events, and tabling events. All are welcome, so feel free to bring friends or join whenever you would like. We would love to have you. The best way to reach us is through email, social media, or Blue Gold Connect. I'm your president and would be happy to answer any of your questions. Otherwise, we do have a secretary and plenty of outlets through social media. Thank you all for listening, and I hope to see you soon. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks. Bye.